Back in 2010, na-LSS tayo sa isang political tagline.
Nakaligo ka na ba sa dagat ng basura?
Of course, we all know that this is not just a matter of a catchy jingle. Even before this line became famous, our country created headlines in July 2000 where about 700 people were killed during the Payatas landslide. The inadequate waste management facilities of our country also became a hot topic during the COVID-19 pandemic when the news of 7 children caught the virus after playing the illegally dumped medical waste in the shoreline of Catanduanes.
Samantala, nasa 23 bata naman ang nakitang naglalaro sa lugar na pinagtapunan ng mga hazardous waste material ang isinailalim sa swab test ng Rural Health Unit, kung saan 8 sa mga ito ang nagpositibo sa COVID-19.
According to the study conducted by the Diponegro University of Indonesia, Philippines is the 4th leading waste-producing country in Southeast Asia. DENR reported that the country's average per capita generation is 0.4 kg per day, and last year, we disposed 16.2 metric tons of waste. With our growing population of an annual growth rate of 1.47%, by 2050, we have to recycle 25 million metric tons of waste annually. Currently, we rely on landfills. And if this trend continues, maliligo talaga tayo sa dagat ng basura. Our company, the first modern Green Earth Management Corporation, was founded through a common advocacy of promoting a sustainable and proper waste disposal system. We are a group of professionals from different fields of medicine, sciences, law, engineering, and architecture, with the aim of delivering a cleaner and greener environment for the next generation. Our mission is to create a renewable and sustainable medical waste disposal system that is eco-friendly and bio-efficient. Our vision is to contain all possible contaminants brought by landfills, engineered or otherwise, by having a proper waste management system for a proper disposal.
And it is a great opportunity that our vision aligns with the goal of our country in protecting the right of the people to a balanced and healthful ecology and promoting the global environment to attain sustainable development.
Introducing the thermolysis technology. What is thermolysis? It is a series of pyrolysis to undergo thermal destruction of all solid, liquid, and even gaseous materials. Exosystem will pass through a series of filters, mechanical, heat, and water. Our company is proposing a complete solid waste disposal system through the thermolysis technology, where the domestic waste will be processed into ashes and recycled to produce new materials such as construction bricks.
The capacity of the machines will be based on the daily waste collection of the municipality. But here are some of the available machines of the thermolysis technology. Domestic thermolysis machine with a capacity of 20 tons per cycle that runs 1 cycle per day. With this machine, 60% of the collected waste will be processed by the thermolysis machine and 40% will become fertilizer. On the other hand, 10 tons of plastic waste can be processed every day through the pyrolysis machine. It can also run 1 cycle per day. If there will be a large volume of domestic waste, the excess can also be processed in the pyrolysis machine. Lastly, the medical thermolysis machine can process 500 kg of waste each cycle, and every day it can run 4 cycles. The total capacity that it can process every day is 2 tons.
The process starts with the delivery of waste via dump trucks. The waste will be discarded to the box feeder and the liquid residue will be deposited in the fertilizer station. The solid matter will be delivered to the trommel and will have a partial segregation in which organic matter such as soil, sand, and other fine aggregates will be separated. These organic matters will also be transferred to the fertilizer station. Wastes that are not sieved will be transferred to the sorting table where polymers such as plastics and rubber will be segregated. These polymers will be conveyed to the pyrolysis machine to produce crude oil.
This crude oil will be used for the partial operation of the machines.
The rest of the waste will be transported to the thermolysis machine via conveyors. Before entering the thermolysis machine, metals will be segregated through the magnets attached at the entrance of the machine. These metals will be processed in the foundry to create new metal alloys. Finally, the waste will enter in the thermolysis machine. The end product will be processed into construction materials such as bricks. The facility will also include a medical waste disposal system.
The company will provide 2 sealed transit trucks.
In this system, the medical waste will be sealed in plastic bags and will be collected by the trucks. Upon arrival to the site, the trucks will have an initial scale to determine its weight. After this, the trucks will go to the anteroom before opening the main chamber. The waste in the delivered containers will not be opened and will be directly transferred to the thermolysis machine. This will prevent the spread of toxic and contaminated elements in the facility. The end product will also generate ash for construction bricks. Metal needles that will not melt during this process will go to the foundry to reproduce new metal deposits.
The last area is the office for the staff.
It will include sleeping quarters, dining area, kitchen, as well as shower for disinfection.
The facility also aims for the waste-to-energy movement. Achieving this goal will require the processing of 150 tons of waste on a daily basis. The first phase of energizing the facility will include the combination of the main grid and solar panel systems. The second phase will be the support of the self-produced crude oil for partial operation of the machines. In terms of the site, the local government shall have an already available and approved location for this project. And here is the example of the first modern Green Earth Management Corporation's waste management facility. With the thermolysis technology, we can achieve a greener and cleaner Philippines. Thank you for watching and we look forward on working with you. Maraming salamat po.